Here we are, Mustang Island. There's my granddaughter, she's getting her stuff ready. There's my wife, she's already fighting with her umbrella. And I'm setting up. I've already put my fish stakes out and gonna set up. I'm gonna use fish bites, and then I'm also going to use the original Heddon spook with the smaller rod. I'm putting my surf rod out with fish bites, crab and shrimp. So let me put those out and I'll get it rolling. Okay, I got my rod set up. Try to get my camera where I can see it. And I've got it out past the second bar. And we'll see what happens. Got two kinds of fish bites. Now I'm gonna, when I start seeing some action out here with the water starting to show some bait fish or birds, I'll get my smaller rod and do that topwater lure. It's a small bite, but I don't think it's a big fish. They're just tapping the rod. Beautiful morning. Didn't have any luck this morning. Had some bites. Funny thing happened while I was fishing. Somehow there must have been a flaw in this braided line because I cast it today. As you can see, I'm back out here. My wife and granddaughter up on the bank watching me. I have a pole out here and its holder, and I have fish bites. I have crab and shrimp fish bites, and I will be trying to catch the fish. All right. Caught my first trout. Caught my first trout surf fishing. Caught it on fish bite. Caught it on the. Okay, I've got my pole out again after I just caught that fish, and I've got fish bites. I have on the bottom crab and on the top shrimp. Here I am in Port Aransas. I'm at Redfish Bay, right off of the road that goes to the ferry. About to head into the flats with the grass. I'm gonna use DOA shrimp. Probably had to put a weight on it, but I forgot my fish bites. I left them there. But anyway, about to get going. Hey, I'm out. First time in my kayak in Redfish Bay, Port Aransas. See how it goes. Just heading along. There's another person sight fishing, looks like. I had a bite a while ago, but I actually was trying to get a backlash out of my reel. This is a big fish, and I lost it. And anyway, I'm looking for some more fish now, and I'll be paddling around. Beautiful morning though out on the Redfish Bay, Port Aransas. Well, I caught a ladyfish. Got me in the mangroves, and I'm trying to get out. Caught a ladyfish, long one. It gave me a good fight. I had a bigger fish hooked up earlier, but it got away. But that's fun to catch. It really fought good. I wasn't able to get my GoPro on while I was fighting it, it up. Gonna go back to the house. Caught one fish, missed one because I was here. And go. Let's see how I can get out of here. Okay, I'm headed into the channel where I put in. Gonna come around the channel and go up to where my truck is, load up and head back. It was pretty nice catching that one. Pulled me into the mangrove. Bummer that I missed the other one, but it was fun. Just a couple hours out in the bay. Redfish Bay, Port Aransas.